Everyone, and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Mycelium account. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will need to know that there is no way to delete just your account on Mycelium. However, the trick is even more simpler, as no one, not even you, will be able to access your account once you delete the Mycelium application from your device. So in order to uninstall your Mycelium wallet, you can either go to your phone settings and then go into the applications. Now from the application list, just look for Mycelium application and then tap on it. Now from here you can simply tap on the uninstall button and then tap on OK to uninstall the Mycelium application and delete your Mycelium account as well. You can also go to the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and just search for the Mycelium application, and when you find the application, you can simply tap on the uninstall button to uninstall the application and delete your account as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on Mycelium. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.